Cool, okay. So I'm going to talk to you about something which is in the grade 5 Rockschool syllabus. This is one of the technical exercises, and as you've just heard, these are fills. So this is, we're going to do this as 16th note singles. So we're going to do 6 hands and 2 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick, kick. If I repeat that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick, kick. Obviously, if I was going to count it properly, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. For this grade, we'll have to do this at 90 beats per minute. Now, of course, as I said earlier, this is grade 5, so they're not going to let us get away with something as simple as that. So we're now going to utilise all of our toms, but we're not going to break it up evenly, unfortunately. We're going to do 1 right hand, 1 left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, then 2 kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick, kick. As I said earlier, if I was going to count it properly, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Again at 90 before I run out of breath. And then if I was to put our original bar at the start, so it's all snares, 2 kicks, all snares, 2 kicks, and then around the kit. '90 is great. How much faster can we go? What about, 140, let's try 140. And again, this pattern, 6 hands, 2 feet, is great. Can we start making up some other ideas? Yes, is the answer. So where should I start? And then the rest of the toms. Cool, so that's one idea. What about... Again, can I do those at 140? Who knows? That was the first one. What was the second one? Already forgotten. So that was 140. Like I said, to do this for the grade, we need to do it at 90. But you can come up with some of your own ideas, and why not push it faster? Try playing it along to songs. See if you can find a song which is relatively straightforward to start with, and then put this idea in there.